Hi, everyone! Come sit with us for a funny little story today. And if you enjoy it, you can like the video and subscribe later. Today, wrong chair. I walk into a cafe. Many people, many tables, busy place.
Busy cafe. People talk. Cups move. Warm.
I look around. One empty chair near the window. Nice. I walk fast. I sit down. Soft chair. Finally.
Good chair. Nice window. Quiet place. Maybe too nice.
I take my bag off. I relax. Deep breath. Good. Then I hear a voice. Excuse me? Small voice. Huh?
Oh no. Dangerous words. Excuse me. Problem.
I look up. A man stands there, coffee in hand, waiting. He points to the chair. That is my chair? Polite smile. Oh no.
Wrong chair. Jane sits. Man waits. Perfect timing.
I stand up fast. Sorry, very sorry. My mistake. The man laughs softly. It's okay. Friendly smile. No problem.
Small mistake. Small sorry. Easy fix. Nice.
I laugh too. Wrong chair. Funny moment. Okay. I stand near the table. Sorry again. Small smile. Awkward. The man laughs softly. No problem. It happens. Easy.
Nice man. No anger. Just smile. Good.
Then I look at the chair again. Soft chair. Window seat. I ask, why this chair? You really like it? Maybe.
Good question. Just a chair? Or special?
The man smiles bigger. Yes. Very special. Important. He points to the wall. Small photo. Old photo. There.
Oh? Photo on wall. Special chair. Story.
I walk closer. Old picture. Same chair. Wow. The man says, my grandfather sat there. Every day. Long ago.
Not just a chair. Memory chair. Family chair. Warm.
I smile softly. Now I understand. Special chair. Beautiful. The man sits down. Window light. Coffee cup. Quiet.
Wrong chair first. Nice story later. Funny world. Good.
I smile at the man. Special chair. Family story. Nice. I look around the cafe. Many tables, many chairs.
New idea. His chair. Maybe Jane chair too. Possible.
I walk slowly. One table near plants, small lamp, cozy. I sit down carefully. Soft chair, warm light. Good.
New chair. Quiet corner. Calm feeling. Perfect.
I look outside. People walk. Rain starts. Pretty. A worker brings tea. Warm tea. Small smile. Welcome.
Maybe this is it. Not wrong chair. Jane chair. Now.
I laugh softly. Maybe, My chair? Yes. I sit back. Warm tea, quiet cafe. Good place. I drink my tea slowly. Warm tea, quiet cafe. Nice. Then the worker looks at me. Small smile. Thinking face.
Wait. She knows Jane. Maybe before. Memory.
The worker walks closer. I remember you. Friendly voice. Me? I look confused. Really? From where? Ask.
Good question. Cafe memory. Old moment. Maybe.
The worker laughs softly. Last month. Wrong drink. Oh, I remember too. Coffee and tea. Wrong table. Yes.
Wrong chair today. Wrong drink before. Jane style. Classic.
Maybe I make small mistakes. True. The worker smiles. But you always smile. Kind words. Nice.
Small mistakes. More memories. Good feeling. Beautiful.
I hold my tea. Wrong chair, right cafe. Maybe. I drink my tea slowly. Warm cup, quiet music. Nice. Then another worker walks by. He looks at me, smiles. Hello again.
Again. One worker remembers. Now two. Famous cafe girl.
I laugh softly. Hello. Small wave. Nice. The first worker smiles too. Wrong drink, girl. Little joke. Oh no.
New cafe name. Not Jane. Wrong drink girl. Legend.
I hide my face a little. Please, no more mistakes. Enough. The workers laugh kindly. Warm laughs. Friendly faces. Comfortable.
Big change. First wrong chair. Now friendly cafe. Connection.
I look around. Workers smile. People talk. Familiar. I smile too. Maybe small mistakes bring people together. Maybe.
Wrong chair. Right place. Good people. Lucky.
I sit in my chair. Plant corner. Warm light. Nice. I open my book. Quiet cafe. Soft music. Peaceful.
New routine. Same chair. Same cafe. Familiar.
Then I hear steps. The worker smiles. Warm cup in hand. He puts the cup down. Tea. Little cookie. Wait.
No order? No menu. Just tea. Magic cafe.
I look up. But I did not order today. The worker laughs softly. Your usual tea. Plant corner tea. Easy.
Wow. Jane has a regular order. Official now.
I smile big. Warm tea, little cookie. Nice feeling. I hold the cup. Thank you. You remember. Really.
First wrong chair. Now regular tea. Same cafe. Big change.
I laugh softly. Maybe this cafe remembers me. Now. Rain falls outside. Quiet cafe. Empty chair. Different.
Strange day. No Jane. No tea. Quiet.
The workers look at the plant corner. Empty table, no book. One worker asks, "Where is wrong chair girl?" Small smile. Missing.
Famous name now. Not Jane. Wrong chair girl. Cafe legend.
Another worker looks outside. Rain, buses, maybe late. He puts a cup near the machine. Warm tea, plant corner tea. Maybe soon.
They remember. Same tea, same chair, routine.
The door opens suddenly. Wet jacket, tired face. "Jane!" I walk in slowly. "Sorry. Busy day. Long day."
And there she is. Cafe complete again. Plant corner full. Nice.
The workers smile big. "You are late today." Warm voices. "Welcome back." I laugh softly. Warm cafe. Warm tea. Good place. Funny how one small mistake, wrong chair, warm tea, became a favorite place. So now we want to ask you something. Do you have a favorite cafe? A quiet place just for you? Maybe a window seat, maybe soft music, maybe your favorite drink. Tell us. If this cafe story made you smile, give the video a like, subscribe, and come back for the next story with us. And write in the comments, do you have a favorite cafe?
Thanks for sitting with us today. See you in the next story.